Welcome. In this video I'm going to go over how to start Spatial Historian and then how to select a project to work on. When Spatial Historian is first installed, you will see a icon on your desktop that looks like this. To start the Spatial Historian, you simply double click. When Spatial Historian starts, you get a splash screen and then a login screen as well. By default, it will remember the last username that you used. So you simply have to type in your password. Passwords are assigned initially by the system administrator, and then you have the option to change that within the system if you like. So I'll go ahead and type in my password. Now, one other thing to note here is we have production and test mode. So if I click test, you see it highlights it there. Basically, test mode lets you hit a database that has just test data, so you don't have to worry about harming any of your production data. In this case, I'm going to log in test mode as well. So I have my username, I've entered my password, and I just click login. Now at this point, it's going out and hitting the server and accessing a little bit of information about me and about all of the different projects that I have access to. Now you notice here that I have on the left side of the screen here a list of different organizations and projects. So these organizations in this case are different universities we have set up here, and within the university they've defined different projects that they want to work on. The one we'll be looking at today is under the Vanderbilt University. They've got a large project called the Slave Society's Digital Archive, or SSDA, and they've broken that down into 3 different projects within Spatial Historian based on geographic area, based on country. So what I'm going to do here is simply select the project and open it up, and we can go ahead and get started to work on it in a later video. So to open it, you just highlight it and you can right click and select open project. The other method you have is simply to double click on it. And when you do that, it will go out again and hit the server and download all the information specific to that project. So when it opens up, this is what you'll see. Now, one of the things I do want to point out is that you notice up top it shows test mode, and you see this fairly gaudy orange block, again to indicate that you're in test. So you know what you're working on here. So that's it for this video, and I will talk about managing these documents and managing the materials within a project in the next video.